National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bibb County and central Georgia, northwestern Twiggs County and central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Skipperton, or 7 miles southwest of Macon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Macon, Franklinton, Middle Georgia Regional Airport, Skipperton, Rutland, and Huber. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 7 p.m. in Athens.